Hello, friends. Welcome back. I had a visitor who said she wants jollof rice to eat. Meanwhile, I have plain rice. Join me and let's turn this into something more yumilicious. I have my already cooked rice here, onion, garlic, tomato paste, oil, fresh tomatoes, and also already cooked fish. I'll start by prepping my onion, garlic, and then fresh tomatoes. I'll be adding some frozen soya kebab. I made this myself and I have a video on it. I'll leave the link in the description, so guys do go and check it out. So I'll go ahead and cut them into chunks. In a pan, I pour in oil and then allow it to heat for about 2 minutes. Then I go ahead and add in my chopped onions and also my garlic. I'll give it a stir and then allow the onion and then the garlic to infuse their flavor in the oil. Here I add my fresh tomatoes. I'll give it a stir and then allow it to cook for about 5 minutes. Here I add tomato paste. I'm using 2 tablespoons and then I go ahead, give it a stir again. This is my fish stock. I add chili powder and then we stir all together. Now it's time to add our spices. This is black pepper, rosemary, fenugreek, anise, cumin, fennel, ginger powder, turmeric, and then bay leaf. You see all these spices, if you mix all together, you have just made yourself homemade curry powder. So let's go ahead and add our curry powder into our stew. So simple as that. And then I add salt to my taste. Then I mix all together once again. Now I add my already cooked fish. I'm using salmon and also my soya kebab. I'll mix all together. Here I add fish stock again. I'll cover and then allow it to simmer for about 5 minutes. At this point, we can go ahead and add our rice. I use less oil for my stew because there's already oil in my rice, okay? Oops, the rice is too much. Now I'll go ahead and stir all to combine. I will cover again and then allow it to simmer on low heat for about 10 minutes. And guys, it's 10 minutes already. Let's have a taste. Oh wow. Taste really good, and at this point our rice is ready. So this is how our leftover rice looks now. More yummy-licious, and it's time to serve. I hope you are ready with your spoon because I am serving you here. Cooking is all about being creative. There is no specific methodology in cooking, okay? And our jollof rice is served. I hope you're going to give it a try. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until I see you in my next video, stay blessed. Bye, y'all.